Greetings from Summers Point, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this is our trade. It's a 2021 Sailfish 245 dual console. It's an ice blue colored hull, hard top with the ice blue underside, PFD storage. You have a nice port side seat, backrest folds in different locations, nice head area, sink, window inside, windlass up on the bow, storage underneath of each seat. There is a table that can go here in the bow, and that table can also go aft. You have your cup holders, windshield will close off, and you have a wind gate. Close this area off. This boat does have a curtain package. And the galley area, you have a sink in here. In the photos, you'll see that all these seats fold down. Nice fish box here. There's the other spot for the table. You have your live well, pull up ski pylon, you'll see that in the photos. Your battery switch right where it should be, right when you get on and off the boat. Makes it easy to maintain your batteries that way. Freshwater shower, remote stereo, nice white Mercury 300 V8. And there you have it, our 2021 Sailfish 245 dual console.